In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sequences in HubSpot. Whether you're managing sales emails or automating follow-ups, sequences in HubSpot can be a powerful tool to streamline your processes and keep everything organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create and customize sequences with ease. First things first, go ahead and open up your browser and navigate to the official HubSpot website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Login button, which is conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the Login screen. Now, HubSpot offers various ways to sign in, so for simplicity, let's use the Sign In with Google feature. This is a handy option if you already use Google services, as it allows for quick and seamless access. Just select your account from the list, and you'll be directed straight into your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a menu on the left. This side panel is your gateway to various HubSpot functionalities, so go ahead and find Sales from this panel. Upon clicking Sales, you'll see a range of options, but you'll want to specifically look for Sequences. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Sequences overview page. Now, onto creating your new sequence. Head to the top right corner of the Sequences page where you'll find a button labeled Create Sequence. Clicking this will bring up a few options. For this tutorial, select Start from Scratch from the options on the left. This provides you with a blank canvas to fully customize your sequence as per your needs. After deciding to start from scratch, click on Create Sequence again in the top right corner. Now comes the fun part, adding tasks to your sequence. Begin by selecting General Task. Here, a new window will open, allowing you to type in a task title. Choose something that conveys the task's nature and purpose. Next, let's add some details. You can include notes, set a priority, or even assign the task to a specific queue. Adding these details will help ensure that your sequence is not just organized, but also actionable. Once you're satisfied with the information you've included, hit the Add button to save your task to the sequence. It's crucial to save all your hard work, so be sure to click on Save once you're done adding tasks. At this point, you'll have the opportunity to type in a unique sequence name, something memorable and indicative of what the sequence aims to achieve. After naming it, you'll also choose the sequence type. This might depend on whether you're focusing on sales outreach, customer service, or another area entirely. Finally, there's one last Save button. Click it, and your sequence is ready to use. There you have it. You've successfully created a sequence in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.